This is the grave of Thomas Topham Jr., who ran the Mint Saloon on 25th Street in the late 1800s. Thomas came to Ogden as a boilermaker for the railroad, but his savvy business skills, and maybe more than that, his fists, landed him behind the bar at the Mint, a rough, Wild West saloon known for live boxing matches and drunken brawls. Thomas himself was a boxer, but he didn't have much self-control, and his violent streak landed him in jail more than once. To give you an idea, he once beat a man to death for arguing over the price of cigars, a crime he was never convicted of due to lack of witnesses and a rumored bribe to the local judge. He made a lot of enemies in Ogden, including his own wife. This is a double headstone with one side missing. That side was originally for his wife, the infamous Belle London, who ruled Electric Alley on 25th Street. They married in 1891, but I don't think it was a love match. She filed for divorce twice, but never followed through. He died unexpectedly at age 45, and the cause of death was very vague. Belle London was free to take her daughter and move to San Francisco, never to rejoin her husband again here at Alto Rest Cemetery.